Bonjour, c'est Claire à French in the Midlands. I made this video especially for you because I've had a lot of people getting really confused with certain French words, and those words are called homophones. We'll see in detail in a minute what a homophone is. So basically, they're words that sound the same, but that have different meanings and sometimes even different spellings, but not always. Let me give you a few examples. Okay, so the first four are probably the most annoying because they all sound the same. Verre, 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 verre. Okay, so if you want to make a funny sentence with it, you could say le ver va vers le vert vert, which means the worm goes towards the green glass. And of course, here's the translation for each word. Un ver is a worm, vers is towards, un verre, E-R-R-E, is a glass, and vert, V-E-R-T, is the color green. Then we have the same but with the word sens, 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 sens. So again, let's make a funny sentence. Sans sang, je me sens pas à 100%. Which means, without blood, I don't feel 100%. Obviously, sans, S-A-N-S, is without. Sang with the G is the blood. Je me sens is I feel. If you just said je sens, it would mean I smell. And cent, C-E-N-T, is 100. The same applies for this one. Pâte, pâte, pâte. Ne mets pas tes pattes sur la pâte à pâte, which means keep your paws off the pasta dough. Of course, une pâte is a dough. Des pâtes is pasta. Une patte is a paw, as in an animal's leg. Then we've got mûre, mûre, mûre. Again, funny sentence. Il a jeté ses mûres mûres contre le mur. He threw his ripe blackberries against the wall. Un mur is a wall, M-U-R. Une mûre with an E and a circumflex accent is a blackberry. And mûre as an adjective means ripe. Mûre, M-U-R, for masculine, and with an E for feminine. One of my favorites, mère, mère, mère. La mère du maire vit au bord de la mer. The mayor's mother lives by the sea. So you see how la mère, M-E-R, is the sea, la mère, M-E-R-E, is the mother, and le maire, M-A-I-R-E, is the maire. Fois, foie and foie. J'ai mangé du foie gras une fois. Ma foi, c'était bon. I ate foie gras once. My word, it was nice. Here, une fois with an S means one time or once. La foi is the faith, but here I've used the set expression, ma foi, which means well, or my word, or my goodness. And of course, le foie is the liver, because the translation of foie gras is fat liver. And I'm sorry to spoil it for you, but that's what it means. And I've kept the most annoying for last. Plutôt and Plutôt. They mean two different things. I've tried to combine them with a sentence, but it sounds a bit weird, a bit redundant. But just for the sake of this exercise, il vaut mieux partir plus tôt plutôt que d'être en retard. It's better to leave earlier rather than being late. So you've guessed that plutôt in one word is rather, and plus tôt in two words is earlier, or as we say in French, more early. So of course it's the context that's going to give you which one is actually being used in the sentence. And this is it for now. Give me a like if you've enjoyed this video and subscribe if you're not already a member, and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt!